What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we have a pretty exciting video in store today. You guys know we're doing the rebuild on the tow pig, and we're basically just going back through the whole truck, redoing all the color match, paint match, everything, freshening up some stuff, just basically just going back through the truck and doing a second build on the truck. Well, as you guys know, I mentioned before, we plan on redoing the mirrors on the truck. And I could not have planned this any better, but you guys can see right here, Boost Auto Parts reached out to us and are going to be a sponsor on the truck and the channel. Perfect timing. I could not have planned it any better than it happened. So basically, they sponsored the channel and the truck with some mirrors, guys. We got us some new style 2017 style mirrors to go on the truck. You guys know we have the 2011 to 16 style mirrors on the truck now, and when the 17 mirrors came out, people started putting them on the 6.0s. I was kind of skeptical on how I liked them and the look of them, but I said, why not? Let's try it out, and I think they probably will look really good on the truck once we color match everything and get them on the truck. But today we're gonna be just unboxing them and showing you guys what we got. So if you don't know who Boost Auto Parts is, you need to get from under a rock. These guys are the GOATs in basically aftermarket mirrors, lighting and stuff for your older trucks, even your newer trucks now. So definitely check them guys out. I want to give a shout out to Josh. That was the guy that I was working with this, and I just appreciate him giving me the opportunity to review some of their mirrors and run their products. So let's go ahead and get this box busted open and see what we got on the inside. They got their branding on everything, guys. Check them out. Got a sticker right there, and it's white, so we'll definitely throw that on the truck. Somewhere on the truck, definitely put that on there. Also sent us out some koozies, keychain. That's pretty neat. It's cool. We even got a hat. Nice. Love my hats, so we can throw that on right there. But for the main event, main reason you guys are here on this video, right here, we got the 2017 plus style tow mirrors, guys. I'm liking this. These are actually don't look half bad. They kind of look bigger on the front side. Basically the body of the light looks a lot bigger than the 16 plus or 16 down mirrors. But I like them. I think it's gonna look pretty good on the truck now that I got them in hand in person. We went with chrome caps. You guys know we run polished and chrome wheels on the truck, so we had to go with the chrome caps. I plan on color matching these things, the white of the truck, so I think that's gonna really pop with the chrome caps. And we also went with the clear switchback turn signals. These are gonna look freaking sweet. I like how they have two bars basically on the light, where it'll be your turn signal or switch back, and then I think there's one light in the inside that stays illuminated. I'm not sure 100% on that, but I'm sure somebody will correct me in the comments. And these do not have the puddle light. I have puddle lights on the mirrors on the truck now. I'm gonna see if it looks like almost the same shape. So I'm gonna see if the puddle lights off those mirrors will fit here. If they do, that'd be awesome. Snap those in there. But yeah, man, these things looking sweet. Everything's plug and play. All you gotta do is disconnect your factory OEM stuff. Go ahead and plug this in, bolt it up, and I mean, you're ready to roll. Filling out these mirrors, they feel pretty sturdy. So we'll see. Time will tell once we get them on the truck and get riding with them if they'll vibrate. I know a lot of people have complaints about the mirrors vibrating and stuff on other mirrors. Not saying that Boost Auto Parts mirrors do that, but like eBay style, Amazon style mirrors, I know a lot of people complain about the mirrors shaking going down the road. So we'll see if these will do that. Hopefully they don't. I'm pretty sure they won't, because I mean, just the build quality of this mirror right now, the weight, it feels sturdy, guys. It got a good size, good weight to it. It's not flimsy. Plastic feels real solid. You can hear that it's not anything flimsy. So let me give you guys a comparison side by side with the mirrors we got on the truck now. All right, so you guys know we color matched these mirrors probably going on about 3 years ago now. They've held up really good. They're pretty dirty right now, but they've held up really good. Paint did great on them. The mirrors we've been running on the truck, like I said, for the last 3 years. And here is the Boost Auto Parts mirror. Let me grab a tripod so I can hold this a little better. All right, yeah, so like I was saying, we've been running these mirrors for the last 3 years here, but you guys can see here, it's a comparison of the new Boost Auto Parts mirrors to some eBay mirrors. You guys can see the new style mirror does look a bit bigger. If you ask me, you can put them kind of same footprint. I feel like this mirror is a lot wider. So I'm hoping with this curved edge on them, it'll look really good with the truck, pretty sleek with the truck, but time will tell. I think they'll look a lot better once we color match them. They kind of like stick out like a sore thumb right now, being black. But for now, I'm digging it, guys. I'm really digging it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna be the gist of this video. I really want to give a big shout out to Josh and Boost Auto Parts for believing in me and supplying me with a sponsorship. I really appreciate it. Nothing like that goes unappreciated on this channel. So I really want to extend that thank you to those guys, and hopefully we'll be able to work together a lot more in the future. So if you guys are in the market for any aftermarket mirrors, definitely check out Boost Auto Parts. You guys don't have to just take my word on it about these mirrors or any of their product. Their name carries weight alone in the industry, guys. You can look up, there's thousands on thousands of reviews and happy customers with their products. So if you guys are in the market, like I said, definitely check out Boost Auto Parts. They got cab lights, mirrors, steps. They got a lot of different accessories for majority of the older trucks, but also the newer trucks now also. So definitely check them guys out if you're interested. I will link all the info in the description below. So you guys go down there and look and see what you guys need. Check them out. And drop any questions or whatever in the comments if you guys have for me, and I promise you I'll answer everything that you guys comment down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. Stay tuned, because we will be doing a color matching and install on these mirrors coming soon. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell if you guys haven't already. And that's it, guys. Peace.